IELTS Part 139. Besides the extraordinary rivers of ice, glacial erosion creates other unique physical features in the landscape such as hones, fjords, hanging valleys, cirques, and many others. Most of these landforms do not become visible until after a glacier has receded. Many are created by moraines which occur at the sides and front of a glacier. Moraines are formed when material is picked up along the way and deposited in a new location. When many alpine glaciers occur on the same mountain, these moraines can create a horn. The Matterhorn in the Swiss Alps is one of the most famous horns. Fjords, which are very common in Norway, are coastal valleys that fill with the ocean water during the glacial retreat. Hanging valleys occur when two or more glacial valleys intersect at varying elevations. It is common for waterfalls to connect the higher and lower hanging valleys, such as Yosemite National Park. A cirque is a large bowl-shaped valley that forms at the front of a glacier. Cirques often have a lip on their slope that is deep enough to hold small lakes when the ice melts away. Glacier movement and shape-shifting typically occur over hundreds of years. While presently about 10% of the Earth's land is covered with glaciers, it is believed that during the last ice age, glaciers covered approximately 32% of the Earth's surface. In the past century, most glaciers have been retreating rather than flowing forward. It is unknown whether this glacial activity is due to human impact or a natural cause. But by studying glacial activity is due to human impact, it is unknown whether this glacial activity is due to human impact or natural causes, but the studying glacier movement and comparing climate and agriculture profiles over hundreds of years, glaciologists can begin to understand environmental issues such as a glacier warming. And we do have different effects such as global warming. So as there are many environmental issues, the most common is that of the global warming. Well, this reading test will have true, false, not given questions. They will have list of headings. They will have terms to join with. They will have questions which paragraph contained the following statement. They will have questions of the sentence ending, matching it with the column. They will have questions of yes, no, not stated. They will have types of anesthetic, and they will match it with number statements. There can be a question on diagram labeling as well. There can be questions on filling in the summary. There can be questions on completing the statement, and there can be various questions. There can be 13 questions each in two parts, and there can be 14 questions in a part. So the total questions in a reading test are 13 plus 13 plus 14. It's a total of 40, and then the band of a module is accordingly provided. The number of correct answers equal up to a certain band for reading module.